Submitting IRS Form 2848, Power of Attorney and Declaration of Representative, doesn't have to be complicated, especially with the improved IRS online tools available in 2025. Whether you're a taxpayer authorizing a representative or a tax professional managing multiple clients, the online submission process makes approval faster, simpler, and more secure. In this guide, you'll learn exactly how to submit Form 2848 to the IRS online, step by step, so you can get your authorization processed without the usual delays. To submit, go to the IRS website and search for Submit 2848 online. Click the link for either the IRS Tax Pro account or the Submit Forms online portal. Sign in using your IRS account, ID, MME or login, Gov credentials. Once logged in, choose Submit Power of Attorney and either fill out Form 2848 directly online or upload complete PDF, fill up some information needed. After reviewing the information, e-sign the form and submit it electronically. And that's it. Submitting POA Form 2848 to the IRS online in 2025 is now quicker and more efficient than ever. With the right preparation and a few simple steps, you can authorize your representative and stay on top of your tax matters with confidence. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more of our 2025 tax tutorials to keep your filing smooth and stress-free.